Today we're showing you a 2020 Kubota L4701 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA765 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just under 300 hours on it. Very clean unit. Again, does come with the LA765 front loader, Skidsteer style hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket does not look like it's been used. Does have the front grill guard on it. Paint some nice shape on the tractor and loader. Has the R4 tires on it, which are in great shape. You'll see the ridges and the treads here. Standard 3-point hitch with the top link and the drawbar. Stabilizer bars, everything is there. Very nice tractor. It does have the hydrostat transmission. You have your treadle pedal there for forward reverse. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat, and then also a cruise control lever here to the left of the seat. Very nice, clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.